Hello and welcome to Mr. Ridley's Design and Technology. In this clip we're looking at some GCSE style questions, and these are on plastics or polymers, and they are the properties of plastics. So let's get started. Figure 1 shows a box of chocolates with a paperboard outer packaging and an inner tray made from HIPS. HIPS is high impact polystyrene. We've got a sheet of it here. This is what we use for vacuum forming. So this sheet is high impact polystyrene, and this of course is a thermoplastic. So that's a thermoplastic. Okay, next question. Name the production process. Well, I've already said that, and that is vacuum forming. I'm sure you'd get your mark if you wrote vac forming. So, like I said, the HIPS is what we use in schools for vacuum forming. Okay, give 2 reasons why the material you have chosen is suitable for this product. Okay, so that we can say as a thermoplastic, it is easily shaped and formed. Into the tray. So it's a thermoplastic. It's easy to vacuum form into that tray shape. The tray, it's the tray there that the chocolates go into. Okay, so we need a different reason now, and we can say that HIPS, let's just move that up, is self-coloured and available in a wide range of colours. So we've kind of, I think to 2 marks we've got to kind of give a little bit more than just a 1, or we've got to put a sentence in there. So we said that it's a thermoplastic and easily shaped. I think that would get a 2 marked. Self-coloured and a range of colours, 2 marks. So that's that question there. Right, next question. Next question is a similar question. It says figure 2 shows a polymer sweet tub. The tub has been manufactured from a thermoplastic material. Name the main main production process and a suitable polymer. Okay, so here we've got one of these containers, and if we open it up and take a look inside, unfortunately the sweets are all gone, we can see a couple of things. We can see, first of all, we can see here where it was injection molded. So the process for the top and the base, this was injection molded, and we can see that because we've got a mark there where the plastic was actually injected into the mold. We can see that, or it was connected to the sprue. And we can also see 2, I don't know if you can see them there, just 2 shadows there, 2 circular marks, and they are what we call the ejector pin marks. So when the mold, it goes into the mold, the plastic is inserted there, and then the part is ejected out by 2 metal pins that push the part out, and it is ejected. We can also see inside there, I don't know if you can see there, and there are actually 2 ejector pin marks, and there is a mark there where it was connected to the sprue. So we can categorically say that's injection molded. If we also look on here, I don't know if this will show up on the camera, but you can just see there, and there's a little plastic recycling mark. That recycling mark is actually this mark here. So this is a 5 with a PP, and this means that the product is made from polypropylene. So we can see that the answers here are polypropylene and injection moulding. Right, so let's write those questions in. So the production process is injection moulding, and the polymer is polypropylene Polypropylene. It's a struggle to remember how to spell some of these plastic names. I don't know if you put PP, you would get a mark. I would, to be on the safe side, I would, you know, there's some plastics you just kind of need to possibly remember. For PVC, you could put PVC. I think they'd get away with that. Okay, let's just finish this off now. Give 2 reasons why the material is suitable for this product. So, you can say this polymer, so writing properly again, is food safe and hygienic, so is packaging. Okay, so what I've said is the polymer, so we talked about, for 2 marks we need to talk about the property and say why. So the polymer is food safe and hygienic, so this is suitable for sweet packaging. And we can also say polypropylene is a low cost material. It's a low cost material, and this will keep the cost of the finished product low. Polypropylene is a low cost material, and this will keep the cost of the finished product low. Okay, so that's that question 2. That was GCSE questions on polymers and plastic, the properties of plastic. Thank you for watching Mr. Ridley's Design and Technology.